All right, you're back with us over here at Just in Time. We've redone the exhaust, and as you can see, we've reused the old parts because they were still good, and we just added all new pipe. We had to custom make a Y pipe. It's all 409 stainless. Not a huge fan of these mufflers, but we were trying to save a little bit of money, so that's what we went with. And as you can see, no more crazy Y pipe that they had. We've designed our own, and I think we did a pretty decent job. I'm sure the customer's going to be more than satisfied.